Today, March the 29th, 1980, I was born. So today is my cake day. Happy G-Day to myself. I'm 39 today. So, I don't think I look too bad to be 39. It's a blessing to be here, man. I know a lot of my associates that I know that I got a lot of love for didn't make it. So for me to make it and to survive the conditions that I have survived, the time I have survived, the losses, it's a blessing. And I'm thankful to be able to go through what I went through in order to get here today. So if anything I have done that has helped anybody, I think I've served a purpose. Because you never know who you can help. That one person might help 10,000. So my goal with my life is to help others, help my kids, my family, with what I'm doing by example, leading by example. So I'm happy that today I'm actually leading by example. I'm talking it and I'm walking it. And I want to salute all those out there who are doing the same, those who are enjoying a birthday today or this month, the month of March. Happy birthday to you too. All gone.